So, pyramid of strategy. So, ito yung isang strategy in a form of a pyramid na yung inyong vision and goals would progress or would lead to specific and tangible actions. Kumbaga, kung ano yung binabalak nyo, unti-unti nare-realize yun, unti-unti nangyayari yun. So, syempre, ang pinaka ano ng pyramid, ang pinakamatibay na ano ng pyramid is yung nasa base. So, syempre, ano yung pinakamatibay? Yung aspiration, parang inverted pyramid siya, from aspirational to specific actions. So, yun yung magandang, pasensya na kasi hindi ako marunong alam mo namang saliwa ang kamay natin pag sa magdodrawing ng pyramid, pero ganyan na lang yung itsura. So, maganda na pag-aaralan natin yan, no? Yan organizational, sa organizational culture yan, on organizational management. So, it is applicable even in non-government organizations. So, yun lang po.